Jenny. Thank you for joining the Madison Public Library. Today we are going to be making bug soap for Halloween. For this project, you are going to need hypoallergenic glycerin soap base, and that is the block of glycerin you see right here. Optional items include fragrance and colorings that are also hypoallergenic and safe for the skin. And then you'll want to get some bugs, plastic bugs, spiders, and eyeballs to put into your soap. And lastly, you will need a soap mold. So if you don't have soap molds, you can use silicone molds. And today we will be showing you how to make your own mold on the library's tabletop hobby vacuum former. All right, we are ready to make the mold for our soap. So the first one I was going to make is a round mold out of a measuring cup. So we place the plastic on the vacuum former. All right, while that heats up, I can place the cup onto the vacuum former. We're going to wait for the plastic to heat up and make our mold. And you want to remember that when you use this or any other mold to make soap, it is no longer food safe. All right. All right, so we're going to get this out. When we have our mold, we're ready to make our soap. So you're going to take your glycerin and warm it up and melt it in a crock pot. We use the crock pot method because it's a nice low heat and an even heat. And then when it's melted, we're going to take, if you want to add your fragrance or your colors, you can do so at this point, and add a little bit of a layer into your mold. Let that set up just a little bit, and then you're going to take your plastic toy, and remember the bottom of your mold is going to be the top of your soap, so turn it upside down and add it on into your mold, and then you can finish filling up the mold with your soap. At this point, you're going to want to let your soap sit at room temperature for at least 4 hours before you try to unmold it. If you're having trouble getting the soap out of the mold, then you can refrigerate it for about an hour, and that should help the soap to come out of the mold. And just make sure it doesn't get too cold, that it starts to get condensation on it, because you don't want the water ruining your soap. And when you're all done, then you can pop the soap out of your molds, and everyone can have fun washing their hands. Thank you for watching today's video. The vacuum former is available for use at the library by appointment. The plastic sheets are 75 cents each. They are food safe, so they can be used for chocolate and candy making. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on social media such as Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter.